So here's the app called Teamreach, one of the most popular team management app. So let's just install it and see how it works. For any sport group or club, you can see here, it has everything you need to manage and instantly communicate with your team, club, or group. It's easy, intuitive, safe, and free. So messages, Teamreach saves you time and reduces confusion by serving as a central place for all team communications. Schedules, no more guessing when and where games and practices are taking place. Instant updates immediately notify your team of last-minute changes, game time, location, cancellation, uniform, and more. Availability, easily find out who can attend a game, practice, special event by sending out an availability request to the group. Event details, polls, photos, save. It's easy way for coaches, players, and parents to communicate safely without exchanging text, emails, or phone calls. Free, easy, and saves time. Save protects coaches, players, and parents. Right place, right time. Great for any sport. So super easy to start, and then you just have it here. So that's you need to enable notifications, but this is how it looks like. Super cool and super easy design. So for example, you have this group, you created it, tell people to join using the code, share group code. You can also just quick add, send invites, then you can see messages in this group, then you can see events like some game, whatever. Then you can add some photos, you can add all the members, and then you can send direct message. And then there is a group settings, notification wallpaper, general. And then if you want to have ad free option, you just pay $10 per year. Super responses. So yeah, basically this app is kind of like a advanced Facebook group for specific sport team. So, if you do not like, just a Facebook group can be quite limiting for you. Then you just use this app, and this is specifically app for some sport. Then you can also close group, leave group, duplicate group, and that's it. And then you can just create another new group name, group code. Then you just create group code, and then just entering, for example, and creating. And that's it. So as you can see, super easy to do it. And so something like that. Then you can again see all of these settings. And then you can just send a message to all the group. That's how you just post. You can add photos, you can add polls, just add files, locations, some color, and then just send it like that. And then as you can see here will be group notification, and then people can react. So kind of like very minimalistic version of Facebook groups, but it works, and it's super handy. So that's the app. A lot of people actually like it because again, it's super minimalistic, nothing extra, everything just what you need, and that's the app.